Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will explain about our material for Group 6 Language Curriculum Design. And the material is definition of syllabus. Okay, before I explain about our material, let's present there are any members in group 6. Number 1 is me, Maya Widya Damayanti, and Muhammad Barik Mokorobin, Nurrohmatul Faizah, Rayatul Jannah, Rizvina Melvi Aulia, and the last Winda Nurul Fitrianti Hadi. Okay, before I introduce our member in group 6, let me introduce myself. My name is Maya Widya Damayanti as the first presenter in this group, and my ID number is T2090-6112. Okay, next to the part of definition of syllabus. The syllabus is a learning plan for one semester in which there are competency standards, basic competencies, learning objective, learning activities, media and research, and evaluation tools used. In terms of thematic learning, the syllabus is developed for learning one term from one syllabus. So, later what terms syllabus will be written, which then includes some basic competencies of several fields of study that are in it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Badik Mokorobin, class TBI 3, NIM T 2019-6147. Here I will explain the next slide on three slide. In here is in 1998 definition that a syllabus is a document which basically consists of a list. This list defines everything the course will teach to you.
My name is Nurrohmatul Faizah and my ID number is T2019-6121. In here I will continue the explanation about definition of syllabus. A syllabus is more than just a checklist or collection of policies and procedures. The syllabus is a learning plan for a group of subject or a particular theme that includes competency standard, basic competencies, subject matter or learning activities, competency attainment indicators for assessment, time allocation, and learning resources. The syllabus is the main source in preparing learning plans. The syllabus is also not made to urge students' activities and knowledge arbitrarily, but the syllabus aims to better organize learning so that is more effective and more focused.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rayatul Jannah, ID number T2019-6104. The syllabus is the main research in preparing lesson plans. The syllabus was also not created to encourage student activity and knowledge carelessly, but the syllabus aimed to better organize learning so that it is more effective and focused. Okay, the next explanation will be continue with the next presenter.
My name is Rizvina Melvi Aulia. My ID number is 2019-61078. I will continue the material. Number 5 is still about the definition of syllabus. The syllabus is prepared based on content standard, which contains subject identity, competency standard, and basic competencies. Main or learning material, indicator, assessment, time allocation, and learning research. The syllabus used as a reference in developing the lesson plan. Okay, next definition.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sunda Nurul Fityanti Hadi. I'm the presenter here. Okay, so the syllabus is useful as a guide in developing learning, such as making lesson plans, management learning activities, and the development of an assessment system. Syllabus is a major research in compiling a lesson plan.
Into the next slide is definition of syllabus according to expert. Definition syllabus according to expert Trianto 2010-96. The syllabus is a set of a group of subject matter which includes competency standards, basic competencies, subject matter or learning activities, indicators, achievement of competency assessment, time allocation, and learning sources. Kunandar 2011 244. Also conveyed the same thing, a plan tool in the implementation of learning and assessment with contains competence in teaching and learning activities.
And here for the definition of the syllabus according the expert is according to Brown 1995 Part 7. A syllabus provides a focus for what should be studied, along with a rationale for how that content should be selected and ordered. Similarly, Richards 21 defines a syllabus as a specification of the content of a course of instruction, which lists what will be taught or tested. That's from me. Thank you.
Okay, the next is definition syllabus according to the expert, that is Salim. While terminating the syllabus according to the Salim, syllabus is to explain that syllabus is an outline, summary, abstract, or the main point of the content or learning material.
Definition syllabus according to Yalden. In general, the syllabus is defined as the result of the translation of the curriculum into subject matter, learning activities, and assessment development. Some experts and curriculum developers even use the term curriculum and syllabus interchangeable. Even though the curriculum is considered broader than the syllabus and not the other way around, explicitly regarding the term curriculum and syllabus. Okay, the next explanation will be continued with the next presenter.
Okay, I will continue the definition according to the expert. Definition syllabus according to Yulailawati 2004. Explain that the definition of syllabus is a set of plans that implementation of learning and assessment arrangement made for a system that contain all components that have a relationship with the goal of mastering basic competencies. Okay, next definition.
Definition syllabus according to Brain 1984. It is a plan of what is to be achieved through our teaching and our student learning. Okay, the last is conclusion. The conclusion is the syllabus is developed based standard on graduate competency and content competency standards for primary and secondary education units according to the learning pattern in each particular academic year. The syllabus is used as a reference in developing the plain lesson. The 20 and 30 curriculum syllabus is a learning plan for a particular subject or theme. In designing a learning syllabus, one must know the principle and component and steps of preparing a syllabus, so that later we can make it easier for us to make a syllabus. Thank you.